go, Mojo.
Nearly there. Maybe one more. And another. Ah! You all right, Bo?
Yep. I'll get that. Mojo Swoptops helping you is what we do. Huh? Must be one of those self-knocking doors.
Shh! She'll hear you.
Ooh, a present. Who's it for?
It's for Doc's birthday. I need you to deliver a present to the party.
Oh, well, that sounds easy.
Well, it isn't. Every year she finds a present early and opens it.
Well, not this year. Helping you is what we do.
Just remember, no present until party time.
Got it! Nan, are you in there?
Ooh, here, hide the present. Quick!
Is my present in here?
Hello, dear.
We're just, whistling casually. Care to join us? What's that? Is there something in there? Is that my present? Ooh, ice cream!
Meet me later at the jetty. You'd better, swap that top.
We're gonna need to drive somewhere that Doc can't go.
I know what you're thinking. Fire top.
I wasn't thinking that.
Oh, well then I know what I'm thinking.
I'm thinking it too. It's time to
Swap that top! Monster top!
Don't worry, Nan. With Mojo's monster top, we can go anywhere. There's no way Doc can keep up.
Don't be so sure. The party isn't until this afternoon. Until then, there's nowhere you can run. There's nowhere you can hide. She absolutely will not stop until she gets that present.
Presents! Mojo is go-go! Present!
Right, let's get this party ready.
Where can we go? Deep underground? High in the mountains? I hear the moon is nice this time of year.
Not that far. She can't keep up with a monster top. She's riding a tricycle.
Present! How fast is that thing?
We'd better get a move on. No present till party time, Dot. That was close.
I think we lost her. Ah! Present! I want my present! Ah!
This way. Watch out!
Bo, I can't see where I'm going!
Open your eyes then.
That's better. Look out, Betty!
Oh, hi, Nan. Thank goodness. Is the party ready?
Sorry, Bo, not quite. Dot hasn't opened her present, has she?
No, not yet.
I knew I could count on you two. Oh, remember, no present till party time.
That gives me an idea.
Can I borrow your toolbox? Sure. What are you doing in there? It's tickling me.
It just needs a little... Aha! Perfect. Time for a switcheroo.
My present! Yes, it worked. She's definitely fallen for it. Excuse me? Not my present.
Oh, sorry, Dot. Just got to go for,
Hot swap! Present!
I know the present!
Present! My present! I want my present! Lights off! Happy birthday, Dot! Not fair!
She's gaining on us!
Is she still with us?
Don't worry, we're nearly there! Hey, Nance! Better delivery!
Thanks, Bo. You're just in time. It's party time! That means it's present time. Happy birthday, Dot. This is for you.
Did that just happen?
Hey, my present!
The present! That's Dot's present!
Whoa! Look at her go!
Do you think she's ever done that before?
Nope. Mojo, Bo, save Nan! Mojo is go-go!
Give me back that present!
Nan, grab this rope!
Got it! Now follow that present!
She's definitely done that before.
Straight ahead! For you.
Oh, thank you, Nan. You are amazing.
Oh, don't you want to open your...
Present! New tricycle! It can't possibly be faster than the old one, can it?
I don't know, but we're about to find out.
Mojo, Bo, wanna race? Mojo is go-go!
Get out, Toads! This is a no-toad zone!
Oh, leave them alone, Bo. They're not bothering you.
Yes, they are! They're everywhere! They're green and the slimy and... bleh. Must be toad weather today. Swop here. Helping you is what we do.
Oh, Mojo, Bo, we could use your help out on the lake. We're stuck in the mist and Brian's getting a little bit spooked.
I'm not spooked. I'm fine. Just a spot of rust on the old rudder is all.
He is spooked. Could you perhaps give us some help back to shore?
Hang tight, Captain Gale. We'll be right there.
A job on the lake calls for one thing and one thing only.
Yeah, the crane top.
Ooh, we could use it for fishing.
How about the monster top?
I think Brian's spooked enough as it is.
Okay, how about this? It's time to swap that top! Oh, this mist is a bit spooky.
Well, I like it. It's exciting. You never know what you might bump into. Ah!
Don't be scared, Brian. It's us.
Scared? Not me. I wasn't scared. Not about some silly monster.
Monster!
Oh, aye. Haven't you heard the legend of the Swoppiton lake monster?
Oh, dear.
They say the lake monster comes out only on misty days, much like today. They say it follows unwary ships lost in the fog, much like Brian here.
Be brave, Brian. Be brave, Brian. Be brave, Brian.
They say it makes a sound the likes of which you've never heard, a sound that could chill your bones. A sound much like that one.
That's brilliant! Oh, I know. Let's go and catch the monster. Then Brian won't be scared anymore.
Oh, I told yous, I'm not scared.
Ha! That settles it then. We've got ourselves a little monster hunt.
What?
Ooh, great idea, Captain Gale. Bo and I will lure it this way.
We will?
And you and Brian can catch it. The noise came from over there.
Those be the sandy shallows. They say that any ship that sails there ends up with a sandy bottom.
They do?
Wow, whoever they are, they say a lot of stuff. Let's go, buddy.
Okay, buddy.
If I was a lake monster, I think I'd live here. There's lots of great...
What was that?
Dunno. Bird?
What was that?
Dunno. Another bird?
What's that?
I don't know. Hello? Monster! Monster! Oh, I know. I'll try speaking monster language.
I'm not sure that's a good idea, Mojo.
noise?
That must be the monster.
It's got Mojo and Bo.
Hang on, look, over there.
It's the monster!
No, wait, Brian! It's only us!
We better get after him.
Monster!
No, wait, Brian, be brave, Brian.
Monster!
Brian! Stop, Brian!
Mojo, did that sign say waterfall?
Monster!
It's Mojo and Bo. Brian, hold, stop.
Mojo and Bo! Oh, I can't stop, Captain!
These waters be too strong.
No! Waterfall!
Prepare to drop anchor. Oh, you see, Brian, there's nothing to be scared of. Oh, dear.
Oh dear! Oh no! I'm too young to fly!
If we get close on the water, we'll be swept away too.
Well, that branch won't hold for long. It's time for our hot swap.
We'll be right back, Brian. Stick around.
I'm scared.
Ah, me old shipmate. All the bravest people in the world are scared.
In that case, I'll be the bravest boat in the world.
Attaboy.
Hurry, Mojo. Brian doesn't have much time.
But what about these sandbanks?
Hold on, Toad.
Oh, Brian, we've been in worse scrapes than this.
Aye, Captain. I didn't know what I was thinking.
Ah!
Don't worry, everybody. We're back.
Anyone need a lift?
Whoa!
Hooray!
Rope coming down. Grab it, Captain.
Oh, no! The wind!
It's stuck. Someone has to climb down there and untangle it.
Whoa!
I'm never gonna make it in time. Ah! Toad? Go, Toad, go!
Haul away!
You can do it, Mojo!
Full power, Brian!
We've got you!
Hooray! You did it, Mojo and Bo! Well, Brian, this adventure will become a new Swoppiton legend. The tale of Brian the Brave.
I don't know what you mean. I'm always brave.
Thanks to you, Toad, I won't be afraid of slimy things ever again.
That's very brave of you, Bo. Ah! Oh, look, I think he likes you.
Well, you've made yourself a wee pal there.
Anything?
Still the same.
It's not looking good for movie night. I can't figure out what's wrong with it. It should be working. Well, at least that's working anyway.
Mojo Swoptops, helping entertain you is what we do.
Mojo, Bo, all the TVs in town have gone out. The TV dish on the hill by Jackson's farm must have fallen off again. Without that, no one's television works properly.
Oh, so that's the problem. We're on it, Mercenita. Okay, now, which top should we use to put that satellite dish back?
The crane top. We could grab the dish and throw it back into place.
Maybe something with a little less throwing?
Boat top?
To go up a big hill?
Oh, right. Well, I'm going to keep saying that one, and one day it'll be right.
I've got an idea. It's time to...
Swap that top!
Above Jackson's farm.
We'll have that fixed in a jiffy.
Oh, thanks for helping me paint my fence, everyone. Oh, I would have been here all night if it wasn't for you lot joining in.
Not at all, Jackson. Not at all. It's what having friends is all about. In fact, it reminds me of the time when I came third in Swoppiton's finest fence painting competition. Now, that was a colourful afternoon.
Little to the left, to the right. Easy, easy. There.
What was that?
Oh, hang on.
It looks like a flying saucer.
That's the dish attached, Mojo. Let's turn some lights on so we can see what we're doing.
And fly it back into position.
Aliens? In Swoppiton? I don't know about that, Preston. It's probably more like...
Blimey.
Cosmic collywobbles.
OK, Mojo, let's take it up.
It is aliens!
Bo? What's wrong with that lot?
I don't know. They must really want their TVs fixed.
Let's just go and say hello.
Almighty beings from another world! What brings you to our humble planet?
We were just trying to fix the TV.
TV? Is that your home planet? This planet is called Earth.
Preston, what are you on about?
Quivering quasars! They know my name!
Yeah, hold on. We'll come down and get you.
They're coming for me! Take me!
Come on, Preston!
Take me! Ah!
Oh no, the sheep are out.
We'll have to get them back.
It's too dark. I can't see them.
Don't worry, we can use my spotlight.
What are they doing?
Right then, sheep. Nice catch, Bo.
They've beamed up my sheep!
Quickly, Mojo. We want to catch the rest of them before they get lost in the dark.
And now they're going after the rest of them!
Take me with you! I want to go to space too!
Whoa! It's coming to get us! Run, run!
Mojo.
Oh, there's 3 more over there.
Get off my sheep! Quick! My last sheep!
Take me to your planet, please!
Okay, that's all the sheep. We can drop them off and put the satellite dish back.
Oh, my sheep! My poor, poor sheep!
I can't believe they wouldn't take me with them. I'm head of the astronomy club and the sci-fi club. But instead, those sheep get to go to space.
They're coming back.
Hang on, Mojo. That gate needs closing first.
Okay, buddy, I'll lower you down.
It stopped.
I think something's happening. It's one of them! They're beaming down to Earth!
Whoa, sheep! What just happened?
Welcome to Earth! The alien! Awesome!
Give me back my sheep! Charge!
Alien!
Follow that alien!
Another alien!
Stop! Come here!
Oh, no, Bo! Oh, hello. Oh, yeah, you're right. We need to help him. And I've got a plan.
Blobberblabium? Oh, teach me your alien language! I'm Blobberblabium too!
Gotcha! Right, now, where are my sheep?
Ready, sheep?
Huh?
And... Sheep's away!
Bo!
Bo! Where's the alien?
There was no alien. Mojo and I were just trying to fix the satellite dish.
And the aliens came from Planet TV to help you?
No, Preston. There never were any aliens.
So, you mean I'm never going to get to ride in an alien spaceship?
Well, helping you is what we do.
Mojo! Bo! Can you believe we're flying in an actual spaceship?
I sure can't, because we're not.
Mojo means let's just enjoy the ride.
Just a quick trip to Mars, aliens? Please? Well, what about the moon? No. At the top of a very tall mountain, then. That's almost it.